Next point from the transition and inner transition elements. In previous video we already discussed extraction of iron from its hematite ore. In this video we'll discuss there are several steps: concentration of ore, then reduction, okay, roasting, then reduction. First of all, concentration of the ore, then roasting, and then reduction. The reduction takes place of this ore in the blast furnace. This is the blast furnace is a biggest steel tower which is lined with refractory bricks there. This is the steel tower actually, and which is lined with refractory bricks there. Reduction, that means smelting. In this step carried out in a blast furnace, okay, there are various temperature in this blast furnace. You can see here construction of this blast furnace. You can see here this is burden charging. This is point of burden charging, and temperature for this is 250 degrees Celsius. Here charge distribution takes place. Here lower temperature distribution. Here CO plus N2 stock there. Indirect reduction takes place. Then swelling and softening here. Then here higher temperature. This is the post part of this furnace, and temperature is 1200 degrees Celsius. Coke solution direct reduction, primary slag formation here. Direct coke solution direct reduction, primary slag solution formation here. Then here food phenomena. Here food phenomena, temperature is 1700 degrees Celsius to 1500 degrees Celsius. Here 1350 degrees Celsius, and this is earth. There are various temperature in the blast furnace of the reduction or smelting takes place of this ore after the roasting, okay. After the first step is concentration of the ore. We already discussed what is the concentration of the ore, how can concentrate your ore. Already all these points discussed in previous video. Also roasting, that means what. Then third step is reduction, and reduction or smelting, you can reduce your ore in different ways, okay. This is a blast furnace, and various temperature there. You can see here simply this is 250 degrees Celsius. It is the burden charging. Here CON2 stock. Then here charge distribution, lower temperature distribution, indirect reduction, swelling and softening. Coke solution direct reduction into primary slag formation here. This is a food phenomena, effect of refractive conditions. Pig iron tap hole, Fe carbon, silicon, sulfur, phosphorus, manganese, 93% iron here. And you can simply say that here 250 degrees Celsius charge distribution, here lower temperature distribution, here CON2 stock, indirect reduction, here swelling and softening, here coke solution reduction, primary slag formation at 1200 degrees Celsius Bosch. This is a TOS 1700 degrees Celsius. This is a food phenomena. There is here is 1500 degrees Celsius, effect of raceway conditional. Then here various temperatures takes place. You can see here at 1350 degrees Celsius, pig iron tap hole, Fe carbon, silicon, sulfur, phosphorus, manganese, 93% iron at 1350 degrees Celsius, earth part. And here what happened in this case, you can take here carbon plus O2, it gives CO2 plus carbon, and what blast air, it get converted into carbon monoxide. Then slag tap hole, this is a slag tap hole, this is the what blast air, and this is slag tap hole, 1/2 SiO2 or 1/3 CaO, 1/3 Al2O3, MgO, MnO here. I again repeat, Here hot blast air, carbon O2 get converted into CO2. Then again added carbon, it get converted into carbon monoxide. This is slag tap hole, one half part of SiO2, 1/3 part of CO, 1/3 part of Al2O3, MgO, MnO. This is the construction of blast furnace. Extraction of pure metal iron from its hematite ore. There is a third step, reduction of this metal ore takes place like that. Then you can here got here after the roasting, you got here metal oxide, iron oxide from the ferrous oxide, and you can just add it. Reducing agent is a carbon monoxide. This get reduced, this get oxidized into CO2, and here formation of Fe3O4 here. Then this Fe3O4 again reduced with the help of CO, and it get converted into ferrous oxide, and CO get oxidized to CO2. Then this ferrous oxide added say coke, and it get oxidized to CO, and Fe as a pure metal got here. Okay, Fe it is separated. You can simply first of all concentration of ore, you can do it. Gangu means unwanted sanding, muddy particles, you can remove it. Then you can do the after the concentration of ore, you can do roasting there and form such kinds of oxide. Then you can do reduction, smelting, added some CO, carbon in this case. And what happened in this case, you can add some reducing agent like that, SiO2, CO, Al2O3, MgO, MnO, or coke there. And here formation ferric oxide, you can add it carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide get oxidized into CO2, and Fe2O3 get converted into Fe3O4. Again Fe3O4 you can just again passes carbon monoxide, it again get oxidized into CO2, and here formation of FeO, ferrous oxide. And you can add it just in ferrous oxide coke, it get carbon get oxidized into CO, and here formation of Fe. Okay, then what happen in next oxides of metal, you can add it in the manganese oxide, just coke. What happen, this carbon and oxygen get carbon oxidized into CO, and manganese separate out. Like that, this P2O5 added just 5 moles of carbon, it get converted into 5 CO, and P2 as separated. Then SiO2, in SiO2 added 2 moles of carbon, you get here simply oxide of carbon, and silicon got here. The furnace is comprised of 3 parts, hearth, bush and stock. You can see here your blast furnace is comprised of 3 parts, stock, bush and your hearth. At various temperature, there is a various temperature there. Okay, you must remember. In bush there are 200 degrees Celsius, for the stock 250, and for hearth 1350 degrees Celsius temperature there.